Guys, okay, so I'm playing Fortnite. I got a device that can finally see my camera. I'm playing with my friend. Okay, so let's ready up and let's find the game. You will be able to hear him because we are not talking in in-game chat. We're talking in like Google Meet, so you'll be able to hear him. Yes, so that's the loading screen. It's gonna take a while to load, but 1 second.
And I joined.
You joined? Okay.
No, still showing connecting.
Yeah. Yes, so guys, I was just trying to show you that. Okay, when it connects, I'll unpause the video. So guys, the connection shows full, but yes, here we are. So I'll just take this. Thank you, metal. So I have a little less frames per second, so that's why. So, if you cannot see it nicely, please tell me to do something about it. This is the first time I'm recording with this thing. I don't know if it works. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know anything. So that's why I'm just trying to build a sky base here, guys. So yes. Pistol time! Who do I use in this one? Some person who's saying still. Yes!
Hey, yo, what the hell?
What?
Someone is shooting me.
No, nothing will happen to you. He just joined.
I know that. I was just saying why is he
He has joined today only, I think. So, I've
I'm
joined.
collecting some wood. I just love building in this game.
Seriously?
So cool.
Iron Man skin. Let's just leave this gun. Revan, do you remember switching between guns and all?
Easily, no, bro. I'm not a noob, but just.
We're landing pony bubs.
But I would say my dad is a bit better than me.
Seriously?
He plays this game too. He only told me to download it.
Oh, I thought me and Samyak did. Anyway, so Samyak's my friend's name.
My dad tried to play it. He liked it a lot, but he died.
Then I'm better than you and your dad. So I'm better than him and his dad.
No, you got 2 victory royals today. What do you mean?
Bro, even I got 4 victory royals when I just started. I didn't record all. Yeah, so you play with bots when you just start.
It's so easy to get a victory royal. Why do people die?
Because you play with bots. Let's see how he's. Bruh. I got an epic shotgun. Let's go. First chest, epic shotgun. Let's go.
I don't have anything, bro.
Land and get something. Yeah, so guys, just taking this.
Okay, got a assault rifle.
Nice. Ammo box, guys.
What is this?
You're getting shot. Run. Or you want to fight back?
I'm trying to kill this dude. He's not. Oh.
You died? Okay, I'm coming to you, okay?
I'm not dying. I'm still alive easily.
God chest! Guys, I got a god chest, guys.
Seven people who teamed on me.
No! 1 second, I'm coming. Let me just drink this potion. I'm coming.
Someone teamed on me.
I'm coming.
3 people teamed on me.
Bro,
4 people teamed on me.
I'm coming.
One of them, the other one killed me.
Bro, I'm coming. Yeah, come. Come, stay there. Nice. Bro, you die the first few seconds. Come, get up. You
Because those people teamed on me. Luckily, I have a shield for.
take. I am noob. Come here. Take bandages. Okay, take bandages.
I don't need this gun.
Take
I have 2 guns. You can take this assault rifle.
Bruh, okay. Come here and take these bandages.
Bandages.
Here, I dropped them. You know you can just walk through. Or do you not? Guys, I have the marshmallow things you get from doing a quest. So guys, let's collect a little wood for the end game. The end game as in only 2 people left. 4 people actually, because
I'm collecting wood so that I can.
1 second guys, my marshmallows, they're roasted. Let's go. Okay, now they're burnt. That's just bad.
Oh my god, I found a medkit.
Yeah, medkits are not so OP. Okay.
Okay, you won't need any.
Oh, bruh, why are you saying oh shit and all? Shake down 1 second, wait. Yeah, now kill him, now kill him, now kill him. Now we'll know where his teammate is. Okay, guys, the good part about these marshmallows are whenever you actually... okay.
No, I had a shotgun, I killed him.
Calm.
Assistant.
Wait. Yeah. Okay, so guys, this is actually so good. I found so many things. Yeah, I'm down on shield, so I'm just gonna take a
I
shield.
need my medkit. Oh, I have so many
Yeah.
bandages. I don't need any. I'll get
Oh,
3
shit.
million bandages. Shit.
Come on. Die. Yes, guys. We are just doing it. Let's kill our competition. Okay, guys. So now, as I was saying, these things burn actually. So look, they're now roasted. Isn't that great? Yeah. If you don't think it is, just sad because these things get roasted. Unfortunately, now they're not in the game anymore. So
Build something. Should I build a house?
no, don't do it now. We are saving all of this for the end.
I know that.
Yeah. Even I know how to build a house. You know editing and all, no?
Yes. I'm not a noob.
Yeah, sure. But you have to ask it so that we don't actually die. Yeah, guys, so just collect. Guys, do you know that actually 75% of times
I have my shield pot right now.
What?
I have my shield pot right now.
Can I have that? No. There's somebody shooting at us. It's a double. I need your help. I'm gonna die.
And I'll go.
Yes. No. Kill her. Kill her behind you. Kill. Don't die, please. Use your shotgun. Kill her first. Yes. Good. Now get me up. Get me up.
Okay, wait. You have to stay in a place.
I know. Can I have that?
I'm taking the P90. I'm taking the P90.
Okay, anyway, I have an epic. Okay, guys, so we're back up. Let me just get all this material.
I'm having my bandages.
Yeah, nice. So, as I was saying, most of the
Do
times
you have any
there's...
bandages?
yes, I do, please. I'm at 30 health, and mostly I'm the one who rescues you. Okay, guys.
I have to use up all my diamond bandages. I'm very low.
Okay, sure.
Anything that I left, I'll give you.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, there are 5 left. Will 5 be enough for you?
Yeah. Great.
Okay, take.
Yeah, 1 second, I'm coming. Thanks. I'll give...
How many bandages can you give me? I have a P90, bro. This is one of the games I've actually found an RPG.
Yeah, that's not so rare. You can take bandages from this machine here. There's a machine here that can give you bandages.
I found a medkit. I need a medkit.
Yeah, I
You
didn't.
take all my stuff.
I didn't take the med kit. I left that behind for you. Take bandages.
Where's the machine, by the way?
The machine's right there. You can. I'll just break this house. There's the machine. Okay.
Now let's break it.
Yes,
Bandages.
I'm breaking it.
What is it? 5 bandages or a medikit?
Wait, what? What? Bruh, I literally came out of a pot. into another pot. Okay, anyway. That was just goods, guys. That was
Let's go
good.
and stack. I have 2 medkits.
Yeah, nice. 2 medkits is not a lot. Grenades, nice. Wait, what? I didn't get the... Yeah, I got the grenades, guys.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Write that down.
Grenades, let's go. Okay, guys, so...
There's a reboot truck here in case
yes. Which is not gonna happen to us.
bandages for you.
I have a medkit. I'm all stacked. I don't need. I'll use the medkit when I'm in actual danger.
Reboot van here. Reboot.
Yeah, reboot van. Wait, what?
The border is coming. Let's go. Someone is here. I'm going to attack me now.
They're behind us also. They're coming from everywhere. Shit.
I need someone to revive me.
I'm coming. You're literally noob. I have to come back from a battle. Shit. Can you not die? Please. Okay. Ready. It's fine. We got 16th.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. We both are ready. Okay. Guys, I'll just pause it for now. The loading is actually complete, guys. The loading's actually... Yes, guys. My friend used to think the marshmallows don't light up. But every time you get close to breaking something or hit it on that spot, you actually light it up. Fun fact. Anyway, let's just take a gun and do some stuff. Okay, we're landing.
Can I have the battle reader?
No. Simply, we're landing
Why you put a weapon in the middle of Loot Lake, bro?
because it's the best fun. We are going there. I put a marker because we are going there. Obviously.
Go to the waypoint.
Yes, that's where I'm going. Where else do you think?
Go to Loot Lake.
Yes, that's where I'm going. So guys, we're going to Loot Lake. I'm gonna try to get that
Hey,
chest.
I'm taking the loot.
Bruh, then what will be left for me? And I'm literally like the pro here. So, gotta take a lot of loot. Yep, guys. I didn't know about open my first chest. Switch a gun. Guys, perfect.
Oh no, stupid guy.
What happened? Are you dying?
That's him. Captain, I need loot. This guy, assault rifle. I had to pickaxe him. Revive me.
I'm coming. Wait, can you wait? I'll be teamed on.
If you don't give me any loot, what can I do?
Bruh, you literally landed there. I was literally somewhere else. 1 second, I'm drinking my potion so that I don't die and we get 86th place. Coming. Wait. I'll give you loot. Come. Come on. I'll take you. Even I got only one.
Revive me there.
Bruh, he can shoot me at any time. And if you're smart, you will shake down a person so you'll know where his teammate is. Okay, now try to find a chest or something. There's some loot there also. There's a medikit there and all. You get all of that stuff. I'm going fishing. Little fishies. Little fishies. Please.
I'm reasoning.
What the? Bro, guys. Guys. Yes, guys. This is another one of these vampires.
Sorry.
What?
My grandfather's fault.
Yeah.
I need some loot, bro. Maybe a comb for a scar.
You can get that. I got another assault rifle. It's right in front of me. You should go fishing. Fishing gives you much stuff.
I know, but I don't even have a freaking fishing rod. And
I'll get loot for you.
What is on this rock?
I'll get loot for you. Yeah, there's a chest. No, collect that. All of that.
Not able to. I'm pressing E.
Hold E then.
Maybe you looted it. Why do you loot all of?
Bro, can you just come here? I have a gun right in front of me.
Use my pickaxe.
Huh? I have two guns right
I
in.
have a fishing rod.
I have a fishing rod because I took it. Now, can you just come and get these two guns? And probably more later. I'm bringing guns for you. I've literally been sitting here trying to take guns. Look, what is that thing? It's a fish. Anyway, take it. I'm bringing one more. That's it. Thing. Pistol. I don't want pistol. Now, how do we... Campfire, perfect. Are you full on health? Are you full on health?
Yep.
Yes, you're full on health. Okay. This campfire gives us more health. Okay. We're safe and sound, boys.
I'm breaking the campfire.
You can't. That's the catch.
Let's go. I got it.
1 second. I need another gun. You have two guns. I was nice and took only one gun.
I don't have any gun.
Seriously?
I'm just kidding. I have.
I know. Okay, anyway, we are still recording. So, guys, this is gonna be a long video, at least I think. Let's do this thing, boys.
Kill it, guy.
Yes?
Kill him.
Yes, nice.
I'm taking the loot like you're both of them.
Yeah, you take the loot. I'll just pick up some ammo. You're so greedy. You're taking all the loot. Anyway, I'll just take all of this. Why did you leave your fish? That fish gives you health, you know. Let's go.
I have a medkit.
Yeah, nice. Come in the truck. We are going to get more loot, and this time I'm gonna take the.
Bro, I'm coming.
Yes, I'm
Let
waiting.
me get some loot, bro.
Yeah, you get the loot, but whatever we find in that big fat chest is all mine, okay? Are you here? No, aren't you?
Come in the truck.
Yeah, whatever we find in that big fat chest is all mine because you took all that loot. Okay. Be prepared.
Oh, someone is there.
Yeah, be prepared. That's why I said be prepared. I'm down. Get them. Run away. Don't sit there. It didn't end nicely, guys. I'll see you when I find a match. Guys, next match. Let's go. Okay. Rivan. Yes, his name's Rivan, if you didn't know. Okay, so our goal is to get our victory royale, okay? Get that sweet victory royale.
So this was the only time I actually win in Victory Royale.
Huh?
Is when I use a sniper. I'm insane with snipers, nothing else.
Where's
And I
retail
put
row?
the other stuff. I like snipers the most.
Retail
Sniper
row.
I'm insane, bro. I win every single match with a sniper. Where is retail row? Oh yeah, I found retail row. Let's go retail.
Yeah, I'm going retail only. Next, we are going holy hedges, okay? Next, holy hedges.
Okay.
Holy hedges, there's this big cube where you will be inside, okay? Samyak told me, so I guess he is right.
I'm at retail row.
No, you aren't. You're still going. You're not still at retail row. Yeah, I landed before only, so there are gonna be people trying to kill. So I really need to get some stuff. Like do something really, you know.
I'm going a bit far away to get a gun. Oh good, I found assault rifle right when I landed.
Nice. I really need a gun. I straight up don't have a gun. Please tell me that's a gun.
Find someone, I'll come because I have a gun.
Yes.
If I get a Tesla, I'm coming.
I have a gun. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. And it's a shotgun, the best type of gun, according to me and Samyak.
I am a long range SMP.
Person, not SMP. Guys, yes, you're there. So,
Fighting.
1 second, I'm coming. Guys, so I was actually getting this gasoline can, so we actually never don't have to run out of gas.
Oh, that's close.
Uh,
Oh, no, I'm dead.
you're dead? No, you're not. Come back, retreat, retreat.
I'm at 6 HP. I'm at 6 HP.
I have nothing that can revive you. I'm sorry. There's a person behind me. Behind ya. Okay, shit.
Need some loot. Maybe a bomb.
No, I died. I am noob. Don't come to revive me. There's literally a person right in front of me. Don't come to revive me. I'll come to you. Now come to happily revive me. Now come. Come quick.
I'm coming. I need bandages, bro.
Oh, you are also low. Oh, no, shoot. Fine.
6 HP. I'm gonna kill myself and then you revive me, okay?
Yeah, sure. No!
No.
Run! Run! Don't worry. Get my reboot card, that's it. Now revive. Quick. That thing takes your hand. No, don't. You know that gives you more benefits.
I don't like it, please.
Yes, sure. Come where I am.
I know I can jump like insanely high and all.
Bro, can you just... Yes. Wait, what? Is it out? Yeah, I'll go find some bandages for both of us.
I searched the house.
Let's just double check, no?
I'm going in the car. If you wanna come, you come.
I need bandages, so do you. I'm not gonna leave any person behind, but I also need bandages. So I really need to...
I'm at 6 HP, bro. I don't need. I can just get revived.
You know, there's nothing so good about getting revived. It basically just shouts, "You're a noob. You're a noob." That's all getting revived shouts, okay? So, better thing. I found bandages. Let's go. That's why you always...
Can you give me I need a lot of them. I'm very, very low.
Yeah, there are only 5. So I'll give all of them to you. Okay, in 3 minutes we have to manage to get out of this place. There's some meat also. Take the meat. Take all of this stuff I've dropped. I have not actually dropped all of it. Take. See, you're getting nice and healed up.
I'm reviving.
That gives you shield. Take.
I found an insane supercar.
That's not an insane supercar, okay?
Not this, another one inside this building.
Yeah, sure. Anyway, there is an insane...
Survivor one, let's go.
Yeah, collect...
I'm an insane supercar. I'm coming there.
Yeah, collect stuff. I'm trying to collect stuff, okay? 1 second, how much fuel? Yes, I have this thing which fills it up. Let's fuel this bad boy and get running.
Okay, wait, let me just get some wood.
Yeah, I'm just fueling this.
Fill this up. Let's just stand here for 2 minutes and then I'll just get some wood and then go.
Yeah, we have to literally get out of this place as soon as possible. Because I really don't think we're gonna make it. So
Okay, come, let's go.
yeah, come. Should I drive? No, you
almost killed me.
bro, you were not.
Please, I found it.
Okay, come, let's go. No, sorry. I was supposed to reload.
Come fast, bro.
I've come. Run. Go. Okay, go. Go as fast as you can. We are in a supercar. We don't need anybody. Come on. Please don't get stuck anywhere. No. We're in a hurry. Please let us out. There's no way of getting out of here. 1 second. Don't go away. 1 second. I'm making path. Yes. Bro, you literally just made me jump out. Anyway, come, let's go. Go. We can drive in water. Don't worry. We can drive in water. Trust me. No, wrong way. No. Yes, we can outrun the storm. Yes. What? What happened? I didn't know that happens when you are in water for too long. I'm about to die.
Same.
This could be my end. If I die, look, which I'm about to collect my reboot card. That's all I wish for. Where are you going? Bro, you're gonna die so bad. You'll never even make it out alive. You're healing?
Okay, I'm reviving you.
No, carry me. Press. There'll be a carry thing. Carry. Take. Run. Don't play. Just carry and run. Run.
Bro, I can't.
Run. I trust you. Shoot. Yes. Come on, revive me. Revive me. Please revive. Come on, revive.
Reviving.
Yes, I was at 30 health. Okay, this time probably we should get far away from zone. We are like right in front of it. Okay, done. I'm back up. Let's get far from zone, Ravan. And quick.
I'm just bleeding as much as I can. Okay, we need oxygen bandages, please.
Bro, I'm lower than you. I'm taking it.
How much health are you at?
I'm at 30. We both are at 30.
I'm at 20, not 30.
Okay, I'll give you 1 second. Let me just kill this person. I'll give the bandages he has. I need the med kit. Shit! Railgun! I knew this was a bad idea. Take me away. Run quick. Can't be shot. Run, just leave me behind. It's fine. Okay, this match, I know where to go. Holly Hedges. Ready up? We're going to Holly Hedges, okay? Guys, I'll see you when the match starts, okay guys?